Since morning I'm talking.
Sir, ready, sir?
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Sir, today you are organizing a press meet about the longest beach cleaning drive, largest beach cleaning drive, sorry. उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए. What is the whole program about?
ये प्रोग्राम हम लोग कर रहे हैं 17 सितंबर 2022 में कर रहे हैं. ये प्रोग्राम इट वाज इनिशिएटेड बाय आवर ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी. उन्होंने हमारा मिनिस्ट्री का रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एयर साइंसेस, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एयर साइंस इज टेकिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबल एंड मल्टीपल institutions are involved. Not only one institution, multiple institutions are involved. So we are, involving the various stakeholders like state government, central government, and the science and technology institutions are part of the program. The program will be starting 17 September, 7:30 in the morning. Expected to be completed by 11:30 or 12 p.m. Okay? And there are multiple students will be coming, different kind of community fishermen, local people, all the people will be coming there. We will be having a beach cleaning awareness program, as well as we are going to collect a lot of garbage, and garbage will be segregated, and will be segregated garbage will be given to Indian Coast Guard. The Indian Coast Guard will be handed over to Indian Oil Corporation Limited. This is the in nutshell the program what we are going to do.
So, which are the beaches you are going to take?
So there are 5 beaches has been taken place. Number 1, Baina, Bogmalo, Velso, Kolva, and Miramar Beach. In South Goa, 4 beaches, North Goa, 1 beaches, Miramar beaches. So all beaches, all the activities, the same day will be continuing parallelly. Activities will be taking place. We are all people, those who are involved will be presenting there. Students, college students, local people, all will be present there. They will be contributing to clean the beach and making an awareness program so that we are not going to make the beaches no more dirty kind of thing. It's a completely pure, awareness related kind of activity.
Including your agency, which are the other agencies which will be
local panchayat also will come in the picture. Local panchayat people also will be coming in the picture, so they will be there. So it is a collective program. It's not only with our side. It's a collective program. State and central government. It's a collective program.
Sir, will this program be carried over to other beaches, or it is going to be
all over India? So there are 75 beaches has been identified. It will all 75 beaches will be taken place same day.
आज कुछ अपने different programs organize किए.
हमने आज सवेरे morning 9:30 to 10:30 we had a walkathon. We started from Deepview Higher Secondary School. We went to Jada Junction. We came around the Indar Sada. We come back to the school. We had very good walkathon program. The students are very participated. We have made some kind of slogans. Students are very happy. The local people are looking at that. We could make them educated. Then followed by, we had a lecture. The lecture was delivered by my colleague Marina Fernandez and Melina. So Maria Fernandez and Melina, we have very good presentation. We had it. Then we had other kind of discussion with the school principal and other colleagues from MBTs. So now we are meeting people. This is what the total program we have.
So, good name, sir? Good name?
I'm V.S. Swami.
Designation, sir?
Scientist.
Sir, when the state government has already appointed an agency, what is the basic purpose of having this awareness program? Any particular reason why some beaches have been identified, or this program is being held despite a state having a separate agency for the beach cleanup drives?
No, this is kind of awareness program. This kind of awareness, that is a routine work. Whatever you are telling, that is a routine work. It happens in all the states, not only one state. Every state, all are doing it. This is giving more awareness to the society.
So that's very confident that the agency is not doing their work.
No, I'm sorry for that. I cannot answer that.
So it's a citizen-centric approach.
Yeah.
It's a citizen-centric approach. It's a citizen-centric approach. जो भी लोग काम कर रहे हैं, एजेंसीज अपने लगा पर काम करती है. जो भी एजेंसी काम कर रही है वो कर रही है. स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अपना काम कर रही है. बट जब तक एक मास मूवमेंट नहीं होगा, जब तक सभी सिटीजन्स इसमें इन्वॉल्व नहीं होंगे इस ड्राइव में, तो ये क्लीनिंग ड्राइव या हम कितने भी एजेंसी को इन्वॉल्व कर लें, उससे वो हम इसको वैल्यू ऐड ही कर पाएंगे. जो भी सिटीजन अगर इन्वॉल्व होंगे तो हम उसको वैल्यू ऐड ही कर पाएंगे. जैसे अभी हम लोगों ने, जैसा डॉक्टर स्वामी ने बताया, हमने इस स्कूल में एक प्रोग्राम किया, लेक्चर किया, एक दूसरे स्कूल में हम लोगों ने बच्चों के साथ क्विज कंपटीशन भी किया, स्पेशली द अवेयरनेस अबाउट ओशियंस, देयर पॉल्यूशन, इनके बीच में क्विज कराया, बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया और उसमें हम लोग छोटे अवार्ड्स थे।
सर एज यू आर अपने सभी बीचेस के सर्वे दे चुके होंगे, तो क्या पोजीशन है बीचेस की और आपको क्या लगता है कि अगर ये ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू रहेगा तो क्या इफेक्ट होगा?
देखिए, अगर आप कुछ मतलब आप लोग तो पुराने हैं, गोयन हैं, तो आप लोग पहले देखते होंगे कि गोवा के बीचेस ज़्यादा पहले साफ थे, फिर गंदे हुए, फिर एक मुहिम आता। और मुझे लगता है कि लोकल जो लोग होते हैं वो ज़्यादा बीचेस को केयर करते हैं। तो हमें जो टूरिस्ट आते हैं बाहर से, उनको भी अवेयर करना है कि दे शुड ट्रीट एज अ होम। वो केवल टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन के लिए ना है, उस बीच को अपने घर की तरह साफ रखें, लोकल्स के साथ कोऑर्डिनेट करें, उनको सपोर्ट करें और एक मास मूवमेंट बनाएं सो दैट बीचेस विल बी safer, cleaner for the inhabitants.
If this continues, then how much it will affect the ocean? And because you are the ocean के बारे में बोल रहे हैं।
हाँ, तो अगर क्वांटिफाई करना चाहे तो ये अगर अवेयरनेस तो क्वांटिफाई तो नहीं कर सकते हैं कि एक्स अमाउंट अभी है और वाई एक्स माइनस वाई अमाउंट अभी कम हो जाएगा, ये क्वांटिफाई करना मुश्किल है। बट कर सकते हैं,
इट्स नॉट द मेन राइट नाउ, बट
इट्स ए बिहेवियरल चेंज स्ट्रेटजी है, बिहेवियरल सेंट्रिक बिहेवियरल चेंज स्ट्रेटजी।
Sir, one question for you, sir. Since you are from the NCPOR, or you all are more into research and expeditions, any suggestions for the biggest problem of tar balls that Goa is facing? Any scientific reasons? Anything that you want to say on that?
That is NIO is doing it.
Huh.
So I hope they are the right person to answer this.
But from NCP or any scientific?
We are taking care of it. Right now I cannot comment.
सर वो लार्जेस्ट बीच ड्राइव कभी खलास होगा?
17 सितंबर 2000।
सकाळ 7:30।
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Your mobile number?